With the cutaway complete, let's see how Model 12 works. First, I load dummy rounds in the magazine tube. The magazine plug prevents a third round from being loaded. This shell is held in place by a small tab on the bottom of the bolt. A raised area on the safety prevents the trigger from being pulled when the safety is engaged. Pushing the safety to the fire position provides clearance for the trigger to move and to disengage from the hammer notch. The hammer goes forward, hitting the firing pin, causing the gun to fire. As the hammer moves, it puts downward spring pressure on the slide lock. However, this compression spring around the magazine tube holds the slide lock in position until the recoil of firing causes the fore-end to move forward, releasing the slide lock. The slide lock can also be released without pulling the trigger by using the button behind the trigger guard. After the gun is fired, the slide handle is pulled rearward. This causes the bolt to begin its rearward travel. The extractor holds the rim of the fired shell, pulling it from the chamber. As the bolt continues to the rear, it recocks the hammer. Once the fired shell is clear of the chamber, it's kicked out by the ejector. Pushing the slide handle forward loads a new round into the chamber and locks the bolt closed. As the fired shell is being ejected, the magazine spring has forced the next shell into position. A locking lug on the top rear of the bolt engages a recess in the receiver. As the slide is moved rearward, the locking lug drops out of its recess, allowing the bolt to move rearward. Then, as the bolt moves forward, the locking lug moves back up into its recess, completing the cycle.